Hello everybody and welcome back in our YouTube channel The Master. Okay, this is our playlist Reactjs. Today, just simple, we'll try to illustrate how it works. As you know, React.js is a basic component library, so we'll try to create some component. The first step will be creating the folder component, then creating the header folder. We then will try to create also the file header.js or .tsx like so. We try also to create another folder with the name content. It will be the content of the page. Also, we'll try to create also the file. Okay, it will be normally yes, like so, content.tsx. Okay, step by step, we'll try to understand how it works. Another folder with the name, we can say footer if you want. Okay, and then we'll create the file inside. It will be like footer.tsx, like so. Okay, the header will include the IFCE extension, like so. Okay, we can create a simple span, and this is the header or the header, like so. The header of the application. Okay, save, and then go to the content. Same steps, creating the component. The content will include the span, like so. This is the content of the application. Okay, like so, it's a sample. Okay, for now, let's move to the footer. We can use the snippet to create our component. Also, same, we create the span side the footer of the application. Can save and see together how it works. Okay, it's so simple. Let's return to the main folder. Here we can call all those components within the strict mode fragment. Okay, save and see together, and we need to start our server npm run dev. Okay, just wait seconds. Okay, here it is. Congratulations. This is our application. So the header of the application is here, so it works properly. Then if you want, we can add the content component like so. Save and see together how it works. We need to see the content inside the page. Here it is. Very good. Okay. And then we can add also the footer of the component footer. Yeah, like so. Save and see together how it works. Okay, congratulations. The footer of the application is here. So we are talking about how it works. React is composed by some small bits or some small slices are components. Hope that you love this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and I will see you in next video.